Welcome back to Spencer Outdoors. Today we're firing up the Pitball smoker to make the perfect smoke steaks. If you're ready for juicy, tender, and flavor-packed steaks with that beautiful sear, stick around. This is going to be good. I'm going to go ahead and fire up the Pitball grill. It's below freezing, so I'm giving it a little bit extra time today, but you want to start out your smoker at 250 degrees. Let's start by prepping these beauties. We're using a light spray of olive oil as a binder to help the rub stick perfectly. And for the seasoning, I'm going to be using Golden Steer Pepper Mafia rub. This blend has the perfect kick and enhances the natural flavors of the beef. First, with the Misto oil sprayer, you pump it up and spray down all the steaks as a binder. We are spraying down New York strip, filet mignon, and we also have ribeyes today. Then we're going to coat it with Golden Steer Pepper Mafia. This was a gift to us for Christmas, so we're going to give her a try. We're going to smoke them about 20-30 minutes on the pellet grill till they hit about 120 degrees. And then we're going to raise the temp to about 500 and give them a good sear. Y'all come on, enjoy your steak with us. So we're almost to our temp. So go ahead and start sticking ribeyes and our strips and our fillets on. Go ahead and get some of that smoky flavor. And once they get about 120 degrees internal, then going to raise the temp to about 500, open up my sear plate, get a good sear on every side. All right, these steaks have thawed out enough that we can get our thermometer in there. These steaks were frozen from the get-go, so now we're going to place the thermometer, New York strip, and in a ribeye, just to see, keep an eye when we hit 120 degrees. So our steaks have reached 120 degrees internally, so now we're going to raise the temperature to 500, place them over our sear plate, and get them to about 140 to 150, depending on the individual's like. Some like it a little bit medium, some like it a little bit medium well, and then I got some of my family that like it burnt. So there she is. So we're going to raise her up here. This is how you open up the sear plate on the Pitballs. Just slide that back. You can see in there now that it opened up that sear plate. Things are about to happen. Now we're placing those ribeyes. Get some good grill marks on them babies. All right, let's check these final steaks here. 35, 38. Let's pull them babies. Right. Beautiful, beautiful ribeye. So we've let this steak rest about 10 minutes now, so now we're going to cut into it. See how we did. Now this is one that's for my daughter, about 160 degrees. I think she's gonna be really happy with it. Y'all check his recipe out. Y'all gonna enjoy it.